Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Ranka Story Time. Now we will discuss about the portrait of a lady by Khushwant Singh. Now we will discuss about the summary of the lesson. So start. The author used to live with his grandmother in village when his parents went to live in the city. He had always seen her as an old woman. There was no change in her looking. For the past 20 years he had seen her as an old lady with white hair and countless lines running across her face. He could not believe that his grandmother was once young and pretty. खुशवंत सिंह ने अपनी दादी जी को एक बूढ़ी औरत के रूप में ही देखा। लगभग 20 सालों से वह एक जैसी है। उसकी लुक में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आया है। उसके चेहरे पे झुर्रियाँ थी और उसके बाल सफ़ेद थे। अब उसको यह देख के कभी विश्वास नहीं होता कि वो कभी जवान और सुंदर होती थी। जब लोग ये कहते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल ही विश्वास नहीं करता है। He treated her stories about her childhood and games she used to play. He called the stories the fables of the prophets. It was also unbelievable that she had a husband. He said that she was not pretty but she had inner beauty like the landscape of winter mountains. अब जो भी कहानियाँ और खेल के बारे में उसकी दादी जी बताती थी उसके ऊपर विश्वास वो करता नहीं था और उनको प्रोफेट की जो फेबल्स हैं उनकी तरह वो ट्रीट करता था। She woke him up and got him ready for school. She gave him breakfast in pot, red pen and wooden slate. She went with him into the school because there was a temple near the school. She used to read scriptures in temple while the children learned morning prayer and alphabet. After the school, they would walk back home together and feed the dogs stale chapatis. She said her morning prayers in a sing-song manner while she bathed and dressed him to learn. But he listened them because he loved her voice but never bothered to learn them. After some time, his parents settled in the city. Therefore, they moved to the city to live with his parents. He and his grandmother share same room, but now the things change because in the city, he went to English school in a motor bus. She could not accompany him to the school as the time passed. Their bond of friendship was broken because he went to the university and was given a room of his own. The common link between them also ended. She accepted her loneliness and rarely spoke to anyone. All day long she sat spinning the wheel and reciting the prayers. In the afternoon she relaxed for a while to feed the sparrows. शहर में जाने के बाद उनके रिलेशन में चेंज आया। उनकी दादी और उनका टाइम स्पेंड एक दूसरे के साथ करना बहुत कम हो गया। यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने के बाद उनका बॉन्ड बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गया। He decided to go abroad for higher studies for 5 years. He thought that she would be upset at his departure, but she was not even sentimental. She was busy her prayers and her fingers counting the beads of the rosary. वह सोचता है कि जब वो जाएगा तो उसकी दादी दुखी होगी, परंतु वो ऐसा नहीं करती है। She kissed his forehead. He thought that perhaps it was the last physical contact between them. But after 5 years he found her at the station and there was no change in looks of his grandmother. For the first time she did not pray, but she collected the women of the neighborhood, got an old drum and started to sing song of homecoming of warriors. She fell ill the next morning. The doctor diagnosed her with a mild fever, but she said that her end was near. She ignored everyone's protest and started counting the beads of her rosary while praying. Her lips stopped moving and rosary fell down from her lifeless hand. His grandmother was a truly religious and educated lady. She was always busy with her prayers and accepted the changes of the life patiently. She loved animals. This is her qualities which define her as a very nice lady. ये दादी जी के कैरेक्टर स्केच के लिए ओपनिंग लाइन है, स्टार्टिंग लाइन है, हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद हम समरी लिख सकते हैं। इन द एंड इट कैन बी सेड दैट ऑल द एल्डर्स मस्ट बी protected and taken care. Although sometimes old people never complain against their children, but they also feel loneliness. The animals should be taken care. It can be seen in this story, in this lesson, through the story of grandmother and her behavior towards animals. Thank you guys. Please like my video, share and also subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.